Accused number 3 kwisenzo Meyiwa case Carlos Mthobisi Mncube waboshwa ngoFebruwari ka-2015 eboshelwa ukutholakala nesibhamu esingekho semthethweni kanye nenhlamvu. Waphinde futhi eboshelwa nokubulawa kuka-taxi boss we-Alexandra Taxi Association. Kodwa-ke udaba lwakhe eCleveland. Ngakho-ke waboshwa eboshelwa lelo cala. Kuyilona cala elamlahla laphinde lamgweba. Kodwa into engifuna ukuthi uyiqaphele kakhulu la iyodwa. uSenzo Meyiwa ubulawa ngeyi-26 zika-October 2014. Bayafika bonke abe-ballistic abo-Colonel Mangena bathatha yonke into efuneka bayithathe for i-ballistic. Bahamba nayo bayibeka la bayoyithesta, yonke into bayayithesta. Ngo-2015 uyaboshwa uCarlos Mncube. Uma eboshwa isibhamu sakhe siyathathwa sesiyothestwa kwi-ballistic. Khumbula phela ukuthi isibhamu mangabe siyothestwa siveza wonke amacala esike sawenza, ngoba phela basuke benayo information ukuthi nje kusuke kukulinka leyo case necala. Iphoyisa okuyilona elathesta isibhamu sikaMncube ngo-2015 ngesikhathi ayeboshwa laphendula kanje.
Did this firearm that was found in the possession of the accused person had anything to do with this First Laura's case?
You want him to answer that question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
My lord, there is nothing depicted by the firearm that was recovered on this case. Should it have been, definitely I think I was going to deal with it at that time. Others.
What you saying? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
Akukho ke kulesibhamu esatholakala ke kuyena ke ngalezi ayi-9 zika-February 2015 ekwakuhlanganisa ke naleli ke icala leli. Uma kukuthi kwakukhona ke ngabe ke ngabheka ke noma ngakunaka lokho.
Thank you. That is the reason why, my lord, I actually wanted this witness to answer that question.
Baleke ngendlela isimanga lombuzo obuzwa umnisi ngoba uSenzo Meyiwa wadutshulwa ngomhla ka-26 ku-October 2014. Same night bafika bonke abantu, nangakusasa ngomhla ka-27 balo bafika be-ballistic benza wonke umsebenzi wabo ukuthi bavale isini, bathathe yonke into abangayithatha ukuze phela bekwazi ukuthi bayoyithesta. Mhlambe nale bullet projectile abathi bayithola laphaya kubo kaKelly, bayithatha ngalelo langa bahamba nayo. Okusho ukuthi uma eseboshwa uMncube ngomhla ka-9 kuFebruary, already bese sekunenyanga uNovember, uDisemba, uJanuary, sekune 3 months egcwele uboshwe enyangeni ka4. Lezi zinto zikhona kwi-system. Uma ngabe sesithestwa lesibhamu sekubhekwa amanye ama-case esiwenzile, kwakufanele ukuthi lesibhamu basilinke neSenzo Meyiwa case. Ngakho i-defense ikholela ukuthi leya projectile yayiplantiwe futhi izitori zakhona ayihlangani ngoba abasendlini bathi umuntu owangena ephethe isibhamu wayephethe isibhamu esinesondo, kodwa lesibhamu sikaNcube siyi-9mm. Okwesibili, uMangena wasilanda lesibhamu epolice station wayosibeka kwi-safe kwakhe. Kwakhona lokho nje kuyasolisa ngoba uNcube bamlinka nale case ngo-2020 ekubeni wayesagwetshwa egwetshelwa lecala leli lase-Alex lapha ekuthiwa eCleveland. Amaphoyisa uma ebopha uMncube ngo-2015 ayithatha ifoni kaMncube ayidownloada yonke into, okusho ukuthi zonke iy'thombe ezisefonini kaMncube bazidownloada ngo-2015 phela icala lazi lamgweba. Lokhu engikushoyo kumayelana nodaba ebelikhulunywa lapha enkantolo oluthinta isithombe esivela efonini kaMncube. Ngicela uzwe la.
Photo 47 of Exhibit S was not yet available. The phone of the Sergeant Mabaso says he only received the downloads on the 17th of August 2020.
Mntanzike umbuso ke uyabeka ukuthi ke mhla ka 17 June ngo2020 lesithombe lesivela la besingakabi khona ngoba ke uthi Mabaso ke yena ikothola ama download lawo wonke ke mhla ka 17 August ngo2020.
Cha. Awukhulumi lo leqiniso.
No, you are not telling the truth.
Mina ngikhuluma ngesithombe lesi, ake ngikhuluma ngento engizwa ngisithombe lesithombe noma nozunga ngene ekhodi watshena ikhodi wathi yimi lo weKPSN Navy.
I am referring to this picture that is projected before the court because even Zungu, when he came to testify, he suggested that I am the one that is showing in that picture wearing a cap, a blue cap.
Lesi sithombe kosenkantolo besikhona eboardroom lesi. Ngayilanga ku-interview ngikhonjiswa sona kuthiwa yimi lo ngemuva lo.
My lord, this particular picture was amongst the pictures that was there in the boardroom. I was shown this picture and it was suggested that I'm the one that is appearing there.
Ngibatshena mntakusimina lo lamuntu angimazi lo. Nalaba futhi abangaphambili angibazi.
And I told them that it is not me and even the other people that are showing in front here are unknown to me.
Brigadier Gininda testified as follows in this regard as per the proceedings of 14 November 2024, page 59. We will print a page for you, but his evidence was to the following effect. It says, now the statement from the downloader, this is now Sergeant Mabasa, from Brixton, where the downloads of accused number 3 were contained, was only made available and commissioned on 17 August 2020. So I could not have shown him. The essence of that, I'm saying, my lord, I could not have shown him a photo that is contained in the downloads of accused 3 cell phone because I was not in possession of those downloads. The first data came to me around August, it says 2017, but in this context it's 2020, when I received it from Sergeant Mabasa. The subsequent analysis was done by Colonel Stein. So that is not correct. I was not in possession of that picture.
Ugininda ke uyachaza ukuthi ke inkosi enkantolo ke akwenzeki ukuthi kube ngimkhombisile lesithombe leso mhla ka 17 October ngoba ke bengakawatholi ke ama download ke lesithombe ke thuma ke nomsoka lo wesithathu accused number 3 konke lokho ngitholile phela August ngo2017.
Sorry, uthukuthelwe ngo 17 August.
Are you saying you received them on the 17th of August?
Ngiyathemba lapha phambi kosenkantolo mangikhumbula kahle. Umncube into zakhe eza 2014 mangikhumbula kahle. Lezi zithombe zakhe ziphuma kuphi docket.
If I recall very well, Ncube's evidence refers to the 2014. These pictures are from the docket.
Njengoba na umshushu sengifundela ethi uma basuthi wamukela ini i-docket yakhe yase Cleveland mangithi mangimamela kahle inkulumo ikhunya phambi kwecourt.
And if I follow the evidence before the court, Maba specified that he received the docket from Cleveland.
Yes. Ngokucacile nje ukusobala lapha ke la ke mphambi kwecourt uthi uphindele lezi thombe lezi ube nazo futhi usikhiphe kuphi kuyi-docket kaMncube. Abefuna kaMncube sidownloadiwe phambilini.
It is clear, my lord, that Gininda already had these pictures in the docket. Wathini ngoMncube?
Ngoba uMncube ifoni yakhe bisithathiwe phambilini emayiboshwe bisidownloadiwe ithombe zonke le.
Because Ncube's phone had already been taken and the pictures had already been downloaded.
Well, we have read the passage and we put it to you that this photo 47 that is contained in Exhibit S was not yet available on the 17th of June 2020 when you were interviewed in the boardroom.
Sakubekela ke ukuthi
I have a state reading when it read today. I think it refers to the year 2017. And then immediately thereafter, the state said, but in this context, this is 2020. And you are supposedly reading from what was said by Mr. Kilinda here in court. So I don't know if that little addition, but in this context, was also said by Mr. Kilinda.
Ngakho mangiqala ivideo ngiqale ngokuchaza ukuthi uMncube waboshwa nini, okusho ukuthi kusuka ngo-2015 ukuze amaphoyisa akwazi ukuhlanganisa ubufakazi babo noma umbuso kwakufuneka ukuthi bayi-download ifoni kaMncube. Yingakho phela uNtanzi ethi no lento le nina nilande kwi-docket kaMncube, so awukwazi ukuthi kungathiwa hayi ube lezi ithombe zifike kuGininda ngo-2020 ngo-August. Ithombe kwakudala zikhona zikaMncube, akulona iqiniso lelo. Nawe nje awuyena ummeli kodwa uyayizwa lento ukuthi lento eshuwo uGininda la ayilona iqiniso. Yabona uNtanzi into engingayincoma ngaye umqondo wakhe. Ngiyakhumbula echaza ngohambo lakhe ukuthi badlula endaweni ethize washawa kwenzakalani imoto yami isikhathi, okwathi uma sekulandwa ama-AVL records afika ayiziveza lezo ndawo ukhombisa ukuthi uyile nhlobo yabantu ethi mayibuka into ayinakisisi, akafani nami. Mina ngingadlula njalo ngigcine ngazi negaraji engidlulayo ukuthi igama lalo yini, kodwa ngazi ukuthi kunegaraji. Kodwa ingqondo yakhe yingakho ekhumbula ukuthi hayi akulona iqiniso ukuthi kuthiwe lesithombe lesi sa-downloadwa efonini kaMncube ngo-2020 ekubeni uMncube bese kukudala ithombe zakhe za-download. Into ekhona nje bazilanda kwi-docket. Landela leli cala likaSenzo Meyiwa ugcina usuvumelana nento yashiwo u-advocate uMngomezulu ongasekho ukuthi they are cooking. Ayikho lento kahle kahle, ifana ukuthi abantu bayayipheka lento. Ngoba uyayizwa lento ukuthi ayiwakho umqondo. Uyabona kumanje ukhuluma ngento ethi kubhala ukuthi ngo-2017 aphinde athi kodwa in this context osho ukuthi mayelana naleli cala zaseyi-downloadiwe. Uma ngabe za-downloadwa ngo-2017 kulungile phela, kodwa inkinga yabo babalekela ukuthi bangafuni ukuvuma ngoba befuna kube sengathi yenzeke lento le ngo-2020. Kanjani? Ngoba ifoni kaMncube kudala yaba kubo njengamaphoyisa. Usho ukuthi uGininda akalukhuluma ngeqiniso. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.